Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Aries sa March 29, 2025, 6:57 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So, it is the start of a new beginning. Time to set your goals, set your intentions. Pero ano muna, no? With caution. May pag-iingat. Kasi Mercury is still in retrograde and also Venus. So, ito yung tipong fini-figure out mo na kung ano yung mga gusto mong simulan or para kasi tong kumbaga New Year's resolution. Kasi technically, start na ng spring equinox which is like a new year. Okay? A new beginning, a new chapter is starting. Ayan. This is also a time to take action, no? Kasi Aries energy to. So for you, Scorpio, itong new moon in Aries is happening in your 6th house of your day-to-day activities, daily routine, your work, your co-workers, your health. So maaring you are setting new intentions for your health, kalusugan mo. Ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong simulan? Maaring iba sa inyo, sineset nyo na, ngayon, mag-exercise na ako, or magsa-start na ako ng healthy lifestyle, or kakain na ako ng healthy na pagkain. Ganon. Or, some of you naman, maaring meron kayong mga bagong, yung parang aayusin, i-organize, let's say, sa bahay nyo, no? Kasi meron tong aspect sa 4th house ninyo, which is Pluto, no? Aspecting Pluto in Aquarius in your 4th house, which is your family or home life. So, pwedeng may renovation, or pagre-rearrange ng mga furnitures, paglilinis, decluttering, sa bahay. Or anything na gusto mong baguhin, na ambience, na environment sa bahay mo. Meron din tong positive aspect sa Jupiter in Gemini in your 8th house. So, 8th house is about other people's money. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring may involve kayo sa investments or business, na pwedeng pagsasabayan nyo yung pagtatrabaho nyo sa corporate world, sa office, sa company, at saka yung pag-ninegosyo ninyo. Yung iba naman pwedeng, yung parang side hustle mo lang, or meron kang, mag-i-invest ka, let's say sa stocks, ganyan. 8th house is also about your deeper relationship, like sexual relationship. Kung meron kang karelasyon ngayon, pwedeng meron kang ine-explore, no? May ine-explore kayo ng person mo. Kasi, itong ruler ng Aries is nasa 9th house mo ngayon, so ina-activate rin niya yung 9th house mo, which is about exploration, travel. So, pwedeng may mga travel opportunities ka rin around this time. Yun nga lang, medyo mag-ingat or mas maging cautious sa mga actions ninyo. Kasi Mercury and Venus is in retrograde right now. So, you have to be sure. Dapat sigurado ka sa mga gagawin mo. Mahirap yung pabara-bara, no? Pagdating din sa health ninyo, kung meron talaga kayong health concerns during this time, mas okay na kumuha kayo ng second opinion. Kasi pwedeng meron pa kayong ibang malaman, or meron kayong parang mas maliwanagan kayo. Let's see what else, Scorpio. You have the 6 of Swords, so moving to a new direction. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring paglipat ng trabaho. Yung iba naman, hindi siya talaga totally aalis ka sa trabaho. Parang madidistino ka sa ibang lugar, or pwedeng malilipat ka ng department. You have the Moon, Page of Cups, the Star. I also see you na tapping into your creative talents and skill set. Kaya lang parang merong inhibitions, may parang pumipigil sa'yo na you might be questioning yourself na talaga bang talent ko to or am I good enough, ganon. So minsan nagda-doubt tayo sa sarili nating kakayanan kasi may mga times na parang yung tawag nito, kino-compare. Yes, kino-compare natin yung sarili natin sa iba. Pero yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong ipupursue na pangarap nyo or passion ninyo na kahit nung bata pa kayo, ito na talaga yung gusto nyong ipursue or gawin. So finally, you will do it. Yeah, 'di ba? Queen of Wands. This is finally taking action, pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob to make things happen for you. Maari kasing hindi lang self-doubt yan, pwede rin meron mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo na sinasabi na, oh, sigurado ka ba? Kaya mo na ba yan? So, kaya minsan nagda-doubt ka. But, tinan mo naman, biglang may the sun dito. This is about confidence. Yes, maging confident ka sa kakayanan mo. Kasi, marami kang kayang patunayan. Hindi lang sa ibang tao but of course, sa sarili mo. So, this is accomplishment. I see you accomplishing a lot of things moving forward. Kung willing ka lang na may ayusin sa iyong para may kailangan ka lang i-organize. Oo. Parang example, pagma-manage ng time mo, 'di ba? Para wala kang ma-miss out na ibang kailangan mong gawin. Ay, 'di ba? Adjustments are required. Yes, meron kang kailangang ayusin. Ano pa, Scorpio? Know you are loved. Yes. Know you are loved. There are people na who really cares about you, loves you. Bring love into the situation. Yes. So, sa mga gagawin ninyo, whether this is about connection mo sa iba, relationship, or sa career path, trabaho mo, or business, kailangan meron ka talagang passion. You really know what you want and you will love or you love what you're doing. Mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. And don't let your past hold you back. 'di ba? Kasi maaring yung mga past experiences natin, past trauma natin, minsan yan yung pumipigil sa atin na mag-explore kasi naisip natin na baka magkamali ulit ako or baka hindi ko maayos, 'di ba? Baka. So, yun yung nagli-limit sa iyo. So, sabi rito, don't let your past hold you back. Tapos na yun. Ang importante, natuto ka dun sa lesson na yun. And then move forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.